Welcome, here I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and now we have to pick advanced settings. Here at the first place we have flip selfie option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera mirror effect as we need, and when we want to use this we have to remember that this only works when we use front camera, so we have to change it by simply tapping on this button from the right. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.